Hey, before watching this video, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, and while you're viewing the channel, please leave comments so I could know what you think about my videos. So remember in my last video I showed these wrenches. It's a set 25 wrenches for something like 25 euros. I spent a couple of more euros on this thing from Amazon. It was 2 euros for the thing and 2 euros for the shipping. Yeah, they can deliver unbeaten box. Oh, let's see. This is the box contains this. Combination wrench. Here's the review. Actually, I should say I am impressed. Not bad for a couple of years. So now let's try to fill it up with wrenches and see how it rolls. It's very flat right now, so it's a little hard to put the wrenches. Yeah, it's looking good. Just need a little bit to open up these pockets. Let's say first amount of wrenches went well. It's 12 wrenches. So we still have bigger sizes. This one is tight. The spacing is good. Anyone. Yeah, 21 is tight fit. Interestingly enough, 20 is bigger than 21. 22. Easily. 23. And it's getting tight here. Let's see the next ones. 25. Haven't used 25 like never. 26. 27. This thing is pretty cheap, as you can see. Here is only single stitching. I would prefer more stitching here. 28. It's a tight fit, and we have first strip right here. As you can see, it's not longer stitched. Certainly fit well. And the last one, the biggest one, 72. Easily. So here's a set. Sticky thing is not long enough. So here is a combination, range roll. Instead of this plastic thing, That took a lot of space. See you into the next one, and please subscribe.